This video shows you how to update your Samsung phone to the latest One UI version and explore some of the newest features available after updating. Opening the Settings applications. Scroll down and tap Software Update, then select Download and Install. Your device will automatically check for available updates. If a newer One UI version is available, tap Download, wait for the update package to finish downloading, and then select Install Now. Your phone will restart during the installation process, so make sure your battery is sufficiently charged or connected to a charger before updating. If your phone already shows the latest One UI version, you're all set and can start enjoying the newest improvements, security enhancements, and Samsung features. One UI 8.5 introduces a more refined and intelligent Galaxy experience. One of the biggest highlights is the improved Galaxy AI integration. Users can edit photos more naturally by using text prompts to add objects, remove distractions, or change backgrounds with impressive accuracy. AI-powered writing assistants can also help summarize text, improve grammar, and generate content more efficiently. Additional enhancements may include upgraded camera processing, smarter voice assistants, better device connectivity, and performance improvements across supported Galaxy devices. Overall, updating to the latest One UI version helps ensure your Samsung phone stays secure, runs smoothly, and provides access to Samsung's newest features and innovations.